Are you considering going solar and perhaps wondering if those solar panels can generate enough energy to wipe out your electric bill entirely? And just how much electricity are those shiny panels on your roof going to actually produce? In this video, I'm not only going to walk you through exactly how to calculate the energy your solar panels can produce, but I'm also going to reveal just how much they can slash your monthly electric bill. And if you stick around until the end, I'll show you how to calculate the cost of installing these solar panels for your home. All you need is your phone's calculator. Let's dive in. Let's do the math with 10 solar panels. The math will work with whatever number of solar panels you choose. Now, I like the REC Alpha 420 Pure panels, as they're probably the best solar panels for a home installation in the US today. Start with the wattage of the solar panel. The REC 420 Alpha is a 420 watt panel, and we have 10 panels on the roof. The total watts on your roof is, take out that calculator, 10 into 420 is equal to 4,200 watts. Write that down. Next, we need your location. Let's say you stay in the Bay Area in San Jose, California. We need the power factor for San Jose, California. Let's look at the power factor map. The power factor for San Jose is 1.5. Let's find out how much electricity my 10 solar panels in San Jose, California will make. Multiply that total watts, 4,200, by the power factor, 1.5. 4,500 into 1.5 is equal to 6,300 kilowatt hours. That's it. You're now the master of solar panels. You can calculate the electricity that your solar panels are going to make with just your trusty phone calculator. Let's try one more example. Let's say you're interested in the Qcell Qtron 430 watt panels, and your roof can fit 15 panels, and you live in New Jersey. So let's check the power factor map. New Jersey has a power factor of 1.2. Let's do the math. 15 panels into 430 watts per panel into the power factor of 1.2, and boom, 7,740 kilowatt hours. You've just leveled up your solar knowledge. Now you can confidently calculate how much energy your solar system will generate, no matter where you live or which panels you choose. Now, if you want a PDF version of that power factor map, email me. I am at solar@mysolarhome.us. Oh wait, what happens to your electric bills after going solar? Let's revisit the 10 panel system in San Jose that produces 6,300 kilowatt hours annually. Electric rates in San Jose average around 39 cents per kilowatt hours. So let's calculate your savings. 6,300 kilowatt hours into 0.39 is equal to 2,457, $2,457 in savings every year. That's over $200 a month wiped off your electric bill. However, solar in California is becoming a little more challenging as the utilities are making it harder for homeowners to save. In most cases, you'll need a battery along with your panels to maximize those savings. What about New Jersey? Electricity rates are a little lower there, averaging about 21 cents. So if you do the numbers again, 7,740 kilowatt hours annually into 21 cents or 0.21, and that's $1,625 per year in savings. Still a big dent in your electricity costs. And now, as I promised, let's talk about how much it would cost to install these solar panels using a reputable solar installer. To calculate the cost of your system, we'll use something known as a price factor. Here's the breakdown. Up to 10 panels, the price factor is 3.4. 11 to 20 panels, it's 3.2, 21 to 30 panels, 3.0, and 31 to 40 panels, 2.9, and more than 40 panels, 2.8. Let's calculate the cost of our 10-panel REC 420 watt system in California. Grab your calculator again. 10 panels into 420 watts per panel into the price factor of 3.4 for under 10 panels. That's $14,280. And here's the good news. If you are paying federal income taxes, you'll qualify for a 30% federal tax credit, and that would bring your cost down from $14,280 by 30% to $9,996. And there you have it. You can calculate not only the energy production of any solar system in the US, but also its estimated cost. If you're looking for a solar quote, I work with some of the best installers in the US and give you fair prices. Reach out to me, solar@mysolarhome.us. Now, before we wrap it up, let me share a quick disclaimer. These numbers are based on average conditions. Your actual savings and costs would vary depending on factors like shading, the directions of your panels, and regional installation costs. Lastly, if you're curious about how to figure out the exact number of solar panels that your home needs, I've got you covered. Check out my other video where I break it down step by step, again using the power factor. Until the next time, don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Happy solar savings.